Okay, quick question. What do you think is more likely to crack on a foldable phone, the back glass, or that paper-thin inner display? Most people guess wrong. And on something like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, guessing wrong could cost you way more than you'd think. This isn't a phone you slap a cheap case on and forget about. You need full coverage, hinge protection, a screen protector that's actually built in, and features that make your fold work harder for you every single day. So today, we're breaking down the 3 best Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases with built-in screen protectors, and we're putting them head-to-head so you know exactly which one fits your life. Stick around till the end, because we're crowning one overall winner. And hey, all the links are in the description below, so you can go check prices the second we mention them. Number 3. Mobosi built-in kickstand and privacy screen protector. Let's kick things off with the case that packs the most punch for the price, the Mobosi. This thing is stacked. MagSafe compatibility, a built-in privacy screen protector, full hinge coverage, an integrated kickstand, and even its own S Pen slot, all squeezed into a surprisingly slim design. The reinforced hinge guard protects the most fragile part of your fold without making it clunky to open and close, and the raised bezels around the screen and cameras quietly stop everyday scratches before they happen. Got a video call? Binge watching something? The kickstand's got you. Worried about someone reading your screen on the train? The privacy protector handles that too. Now, how does it stack up against the competition? Compared to the Dexnor, it's slimmer and easier to live with day to day, but the magnets aren't quite as strong. Compared to the Supcase, it's noticeably lighter, though it gives up some ruggedness to get there. Bottom line, if you want maximum features for minimum bulk and price, the Mobosi is a seriously smart pick. Number 2. Dexnor magnetic dual kickstands and front screen protector. Next up. If you're the type who wants your case to work as hard as you do, meet the Dexnor. This one goes big military-grade drop protection, a built-in front screen protector, automatic hinge protection, not 1 but 2 hidden kickstands, a stylus holder, and MagSafe magnets rated at a serious 10 newtons. Let that sink in for a second. That's some of the strongest magnetic grip you'll find on any fold case right now, which means your wallet, charger, or car mount isn't going anywhere. The dual kickstands flip between portrait and landscape, so whether you're gaming, on a Zoom call, or multitasking across 2 windows, you're covered. And that auto-closing hinge shield? It kicks in automatically every time you fold the phone, 0 effort required. So how does it compare? Against the Mobosi, you're trading a little slimness for serious ruggedness and stronger magnets. Against the Supcase, Dexnor wins on kickstand versatility and magnetic strength, but Supcase edges it out on grip and finish. If you're someone who travels a lot or just wants maximum toughness without giving up features, Dexnor is an absolute powerhouse. Number 1. Supcase Up Grip Case, with screen protectors, and now, the case that takes the crown, the Supcase Up Grip. This is what happens when a brand nails the balance between rugged protection, daily usability, and premium extras. Military-grade drop protection? Check. Full hinge coverage? Check. MagSafe compatibility. A built-in HD or privacy screen protector depending on which version you grab, an integrated kickstand, and textured grips that actually make this giant foldable comfortable to hold? Check, check, check. The 4-corner air cushioning soaks up shock from drops like it's nothing, and that N52 magnetic ring means your chargers and accessories stay locked in place. Every time. Yes, it's a touch bulkier than the Mobosi, but that extra bulk is exactly what buys you better drop protection. And compared to the Dexnor, Supcase just feels more comfortable in the hand, more refined overall, without losing an ounce of durability. The kickstand works beautifully in both orientations, perfect for Netflix marathons, Samsung Dex, or video calls on the go. When you're dropping close to $2,000 on a foldable, this is the kind of protection that lets you actually relax. Final verdict, so which one's right for you? Want maximum value and productivity features like a privacy screen and S Pen storage? Go Mobosi. Need rugged toughness, powerful magnets, and total kickstand versatility, Dexnor won't let you down. But when you stack all three up, protection, hinge coverage, screen protection, MagSafe strength, comfort, and everyday usability, the Supcase UB grip takes the win. It's simply the most complete package for protecting one of the most expensive phones on the planet. Outro all right. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these three would you trust with your Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra? Drop your pick in the comments. I read every single one. And remember, all the links are in the description below if you want to check today's prices. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tech breakdown. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.